Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss the line chart in Power App Canvas app. A line chart is used to represent data in the form of lines. It helps us visualize trends or changes in values across different categories or over time. It is very useful when we want to easily understand how values increase or decrease. So this is our blank canvas app. First, we need to insert a line chart into this app. Go to the insert menu and search as line chart and then click on it to add it to the screen. Now insert a button into the app. So click on that. Select this button, then go to the on select property and remove the existing one and add the following formula. Here we are using the ClearCollect function. ClearCollect first clear any existing data in the collection and then create a new collection. In this example, we are creating a collection called sales data. Inside this collection, we are adding some sample data manually, where month represent the category and sales represent the value that will be shown in the line chart. Right now, I am using hard-coded value only for demonstration so we can easily understand how the line chart work in Power Apps. Now select the line chart and select the items property, remove the existing one and add sales data. This means the line chart will take its data from the sales data collection that we created using the button. Now preview the app, click on the button and you will see the data is collected and displayed in the line chart showing the sales trend of the different month. So in this video we covered how to use a line chart in Power App Canvas app. Thanks for watching.